Okay, what's going on, guys? So we're on to our next tutorial now, which is screwdriver. We're going to be building a basic screwdriver today. So we're going to keep the default cube, I think. I'm just going to press S to just pull this out a little bit. And then I'm going to go into edit mode. We're going to go Control R. Just cut that one in half. And then Control R up on the side as well, just cut that one in half. So, you're gonna want some sides on here as well. So select all of your sides. Sculpt outwards. And then sculpt upwards as well. So this is gonna be the handle for your screwdriver. Then we're going to go E and just pull it in a little bit. E, shape it in a little bit more. And we're just going to make it round at the end. So it's kind of basic screwdriver shape. Then we're going to start making the handle. So the handle, I'm just going to bring it out a little bit. Press G just to move it. So I think that's long enough. E. And then I'm going to scale it outwards. So you've literally just extruded it over the top and then just expanded it out. So we're going to go G, move it forward a little bit. E again. E again. Scale it inwards, just slightly. E again. And this is just going to be the front part. And scale outwards. E, scale outwards again, scale in. This is just going to be the front part of the screwdriver. And I'm just going to scale that one in. So now we want to do the handle. And if we go back to object mode, we'll add a cylinder. Rotate that by 90 degrees. Scale outwards. You want to scale across, sorry. S to scale. Then we're going to place it where the handle should go. Now this is a little bit longer than we want it to be, so we're just going to scale that down a little bit. Just put it back in there. I think. Maybe just move it down a little bit more. Shrink it down just a little bit. Okay, so the end part here, we want to kind of squish it down a little bit. So, we go into edit mode, E for extrude, and then we're just going to scale it down on one side. This is just a basic screwdriver, so I mean, like, you could edit this however you'd like to, so it's smooth. And then I'm going to go E for extrude. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to scale this out first. And I was thinking about putting, like, maybe the end just there with this object, but to be honest with you, they're most squared off, so I'm going to put a cube. And then move it across, and then we're just going to scale this down until it fits the end of our handle right there. And then I'm going to sculpt it out from there. Okay, so I think that should be roughly right. E for extrude, scale it outwards just slightly along the same axis, and then we're just going to go straight ahead, straight forward, and maybe just round it off just a little bit at the ends. So that would be just a basic screwdriver. I could have made it a little bit better, but I think that would do for a basic screwdriver. You could just add the metal as well. So I mean, like, shade smooth, make this smooth as well. If you really wanted to, I don't think it'd be practical making that smooth. But let's see, let's add some red on there. Where are we at? Just change the cycles engine. We want a metallic on this one. It's like dark grey. Maybe turn the roughness down a little bit. Maybe just a bit lighter. And then this one, we're just going to go with the same colour. So yeah, that's your basic screwdriver. Let's see. I changed that to 500. Oh, no, actually no, 200. 200, yeah, 200 was a good choice. I'm just going to put a plane on there so you guys can see it a little better. I'm going to adjust that lighting as well. That's really harsh. Let's see, let's put it at 50. No, we don't want to go for 50. Let's go put it at 10. Nope, 5. 5's a little better. Oh. But yeah, there you go. That's your basic screwdriver. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.